What's the meaning of BSA? BSA. BSA.
BSA. BSA. BSA can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. However, one of its most common meanings is the acronym for Boy Scouts of America, which is a youth organization aimed at providing character-building experiences to young people. The result of the BSA's mission is to build responsible and ethical citizens who are equipped to make positive contributions to society. Through outdoor activities, leadership opportunities, and community service projects, members of the BSA develop strong values and a sense of responsibility that can serve them well throughout their lives. In summary, BSA stands for Boy Scouts of America, an organization that aims to develop character in young people through various activities and experiences. The result is a generation of responsible and ethical citizens who are prepared to make a positive impact on their communities.